am walking. Look at all these, what do they call again? Seagulls. Seagulls. Look at all of them. Can I zoom? I can zoom in. And, this camera has a really good zoom. I love it. So, I'm not actually sure what these boards are. They're black. I think they're ducks. I don't know boards, but the seagulls, 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 even more seagulls. Holy shit, there's so many seagulls. Yeah, I love seagulls down at the lake. River. It's a river, not a lake. I'm getting that one every time. Whoa. I love nature. Oh. They're squawking. Oh my god. I'm assuming there's a baby somewhere. I hear a baby. Whoa, there's a fight. There's a fight happening, I think. I missed it. Dang it. Well, this is going on YouTube. Look at these fat ones. These fat guys. Lose some weight. Oh, what's happening? They're obnoxious. They're being obnoxious, that's what they're doing. Don't you just love birds? I love them. They're waiting for a train. Or more a boat.
Oh, you video?
Yeah. Seriously, what are they doing? There's those things again. I have no idea what they're called. I'm glad they can all be friends and get along. No fighting. Just peace. Beautiful.